Hello students. In the last video we have seen how to show the prove that type examples, how to prove the prove that type examples by using the all other things which we have studied before, means the formulas and identities which we have studied before. Now I am here with again little different types of example. I have written here example. You see that you will come to know that. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Use the identity sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Use the identity sec square theta plus 1 plus sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. By using this identity we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, I am going to start. Look here. As you know that very well, which will be the next step we have to decide, and according to that we have to act. Let us consider LHS. What is LHS? You know that very well. LHS is equal to sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. And here one clue is given, use the identity sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Where it will be useful, that we will see. We will start. Look here. For showing this proof, 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. For showing this proof by using this LHS, we will start this. Look here. First of all, what you will do, you will multiply numerator and denominator of this LHS by cos theta. Look here. Divide numerator, I will write total, numerator instead of short form I will write full form, and denominator by cos theta. We have to multiply numerator and denominator by cos theta. Multiply here, what you will get, see, LHS is equal to sin theta. Okay, we have to divide numerator, means each term of numerator, divided by cos theta. Suppose you have decided, first of all you have to divide whole term and then you will separate, that is also correct, no problem. Cos theta divided by cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta whole divided by sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by cos theta minus 1 divided by cos theta. Okay, look here. We will divide this. Let's see. LHS is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta means what? Tan theta. Cos theta will get cancelled, means remain 1. Here plus 1 upon cos theta. You know that very well, yesterday and before that also we have discussed. 1 upon cos theta means sec theta divided by, here sin theta divided by cos theta, tan theta plus cos cancel means 1 minus sec theta. Understood? Got it up to this step? Then next, look here. What we will do, we will take this together, tan theta plus sec theta and tan theta minus sec theta, and remaining we will see, and then we will multiply numerator and denominator by using tan theta minus sec theta, because we are going to prove 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, look here. What I am saying, I will show you here. LHS is equal to, okay, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Got it what I did? Are you getting this? Look carefully, you will come to know that. Next, LHS is equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta प्लस सेक थीटा, सॉरी टेन थीटा माइनस सेक थीटा, देखो इधर से इधर कॉपी कर रहा हूँ एज इट इज, टेन थीटा माइनस सेक थीटा प्लस 1, we will multiply numerator and denominator, tan theta minus sec theta, will multiply numerator and denominator, tan theta minus sec theta. Tan theta minus sec theta, here plus 1 is there but we have not taken. Okay, it is one type of rationalize the denominator. It is one type of what? Rationalize the, it is one type of rationalize the numerator. न्यूमरेटर को अगर रैशनल करना है, न्यूमरेटर को अगर हटाना है, क्योंकि वी वांट टू कन्वर्ट न्यूमरेटर इनटू, लुक हियर, यू विल कम टू नो दैट 1, एंड फॉर दैट पर्पज वी विल rationalize the numerator. Okay, and how to rationalize? Suppose here tan theta plus sec theta is there, then we have to multiply tan theta minus sec theta, means it will convert into tan square theta minus sec square theta, and it will finally convert into 1, because here identity, you know that what is the identity given. Look here, suppose I will transfer this tan square theta to LHS. Look here, suppose I will transfer this tan square theta to LHS, then sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 हो जाएगा, तो इधर हमें वही मिलेगा. गॉट आइडिया? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? नहीं तो समझो हमने अगर ट्रांसफ़र किया, उल्टा अगर किया ट्रांसफ़र, यानी कि ऐसा, ये अगर इधर ट्रांसफ़र किया और ये उधर ट्रांसफ़र किया तो भी वैसे ही आएगा. आर यू गेटिंग? मीन्स सपोज आई हैव ट्रांसफर दिस -1 +1 टू दिस साइड and sec square to this side, then tan square theta minus sec square theta is equal to -1 we can get, and that will be useful for us in this type of examples. That's why I told you before that you have to practice, then and then only you will understand. Now look here, this tan theta minus sec theta will multiply to this bracket. What we are getting? See, tan theta plus sec theta. Okay, I will write in square bracket tan theta plus sec theta into tan theta minus sec theta. Understood what I did? I have multiplied these to these, and बीच में कौन सा साइन है? माइनस. Are you getting? We have to take this together. Tan theta plus sec theta we have to take together. Otherwise some of you they may think like that. Tan theta minus sec theta first of all multiply to tan, then multiply to sec, then multiply to 1. No, it is not like that. We have to take it together and multiply to tan theta into sec theta minus, okay, plus into minus. What will happen? Tan theta minus sec theta, bracket complete, whole divided by, look here, here it will be as it is, no change, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 tan theta minus sec theta. Okay, this is multiplied to this only, nothing else. LHS is equal to, look here, what will happen? Tan theta plus sec theta into tan theta minus sec theta. Suppose this we can consider a plus b, and this we can consider a minus b, then a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, means it will gives us tan square theta minus sec square theta, and here it will be as it is. Are you getting what I am saying? Minus tan theta minus sec theta divided by, do you understand what I did? Is a plus b and a minus b, I have written a square minus b square, and it is minus tan theta minus sec theta as it is. Then look here, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1, we can write like that, 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta in other bracket tan theta minus sec theta, not change anything, simply sequence change. LHS is equal to, okay, अभी इधर देखो, I was talking about this, tan square theta minus sec square theta is equal to what? I will show you. Look here, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, suppose I will transfer this sec square theta to RHS, then what will happen? Tan square theta minus sec square theta, and this suppose 1 I will transfer to the LHS, then it will convert into -1. Do you understand? Means tan square theta minus sec square theta, here tan square theta minus sec square theta we will get minus 1. Okay, and minus this is as it is, minus tan theta minus sec theta divided by what I did, instead of this I have written minus 1 and this is written as it is minus, and here as it is no change at all. 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta in other bracket tan theta minus sec theta. Understood? Got idea? Any doubt? Look here, what I did, only simply I changed the, instead of this only written, instead of this only minus 1 written, as it is everything is written. Okay, then what we will do, look here, important thing, we will take minus 1 from this, we will take outside minus 1 from this. When I will take minus 1 from this, then what will happen, this minus 1 will convert into plus and this minus sign will also convert into plus. Do you understand what I said? I will show you here, you will come to know that. Suppose I will take minus sign here outside, then what will happen, LHS is equal to minus 1 in bracket 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta divided by, okay, denominator as it is. What is denominator? 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta, 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta into tan theta minus sec theta. अब इधर देखो, 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta is in the numerator, 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta is also in the denominator, it will get cancelled. Then what will remain, LHS is equal to minus 1 divided by, this will only remain, tan theta minus sec theta. Got idea? Then what we will do, look here, this minus 1 we can write in this form also, minus 1 into 1, look here, minus 1 into 1 means minus 1, and this also we can write in this form also. Which form? I am showing you, listen here, minus sec theta, इधर देखो माइनस सेक थीटा आगे लिखा है और इधर प्लस tan थीटा. गॉट आइडिया व्हाट आई डिड, माइनस सेक थीटा, ओके, ये माइनस सेक थीटा आगे लिखा है प्लस tan थीटा बाद में लिखा है. LHS इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 एज इट इज. अभी क्या करेंगे देखो, इसमें भी माइनस 1 हम कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. सपोज विल टेक माइनस 1 कॉमन, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, माइनस 1 विल कम आउटसाइड, ओके, एंड इन द ब्रैकेट व्हाट विल रिमेन, ये माइनस 1 अगर बाहर रह गया तो सेक थीटा माइनस tan थीटा, ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई डिड, माइनस साइन इसमें से बाहर है, यानी कि माइनस 1 बाहर निकाला तो ये प्लस हो गया पहला और दूसरा माइनस हो गया. ओके, तो LHS इज इक्वल टू माइनस माइनस 1 इट विल गेट कैंसल. ओके, तो बचेगा क्या, इधर देखो माइनस 1 इंटू 1 है, कैसे फॉर्म में लिखा है हमने, माइनस 1 इंटू 1, तो माइनस 1 इंटू 1 डिवाइडेड बाय, इसमें से माइनस साइन कॉमन निकाला है. ओके, तो माइनस 1 कैंसिल हो गया, तो बचा क्या, 1 डिवाइडेड बाय सेक थीटा माइनस tan थीटा, दैट इज इक्वल टू RHS. अंडरस्टूड? इधर ही कन्फ्यूजन होगा तुम्हारा, इसमें से माइनस 1 बाहर निकाला, यानी कि माइनस साइन बाहर निकाला तो प्लस साइन बचेगा, जो प्लस है वो माइनस होगा और जो माइनस है वो प्लस होगा. इधर माइनस 1 कैंसिल, व्हाट विल रिमेन, LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS. यही हमें प्रूव करना था, सेक थीटा माइनस tan थीटा. गॉट आइडिया? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, ऐसे सारे एग्जाम्पल्स, डिफरेंट टाइप्स के एग्जाम्पल्स हमें लेने हैं. और एक एग्जाम्पल मैंने इधर लिखा है, वो भी मैं तुम्हें सॉल्व करके दिखाता हूँ. ओके, थोड़ा सा अलग किस्म का एग्जाम्पल है, लिसन एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, लुक हियर, कंसीडर एज यूजुअल LHS. मैं कितने भी एग्जाम्पल तुम्हें सॉल्व करके दिखाऊं, जब तक तुम नहीं सॉल्व करोगे, तुम्हारा दिमाग नहीं लगाओगे, तब तक थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजिबल ही होगा. ओके, क्या LHS है देखो, LHS इज इक्वल टू साइन A प्लस कोसेक A ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर प्लस कॉस A प्लस, इधर प्लस है, प्लस सेक ए ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. ओके, सेक ए ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. इधर सेक ए. What is LHS? Look here. Sin A plus cosec A bracket square plus cos A plus sec A bracket square. And we are going to prove that 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Okay, how to prove that? Look, LHS is equal to sin A plus cosec A bracket square and cos A plus sec A bracket square. It is also in the form of A plus B bracket square and A plus B bracket square. We will expand it. A plus B bracket square, you know that very well. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here also we will use a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here sin A is the value of A, cosec A is the value of B. Sin A is the value of A, cosec A is the value of B. Here cos A is the value of A and sec A is the value of B. Okay, we will start. Look here. A square means what happen? Sin square A plus, okay, sin square A plus 2 into A into B means sin A into B is what? Cosec A plus B square means cosec स्क्वायर A. अभी इसका एक्सपांशन करो, बीच में साइन कौन सा है? प्लस. cos square A means A square plus 2 into A into B means cos A into sec A plus sec square A यानी कि B square. Understood? Next, here also we are going to use identities. For using those identities, what we will do? Look here, you know that very well. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. We will take it together. Sin square A plus cos square A. ओके, अभी इधर देखो, ये cos square A मैंने इधर लिया है. अभी ये दूसरा 2 into sin A into cosec means what? 1 upon sin means 1 upon sin A. Instead of this cosec A, I have written 1 upon sin A plus this cosec square A as it is. ये cos square A ऑलरेडी इधर चला गया है तो ये बचा, प्लस 2 into cos A into sec A means what? 1 upon cos A. Instead of this sec A, I have written 1 upon cos A plus okay, plus this sec square A as it is, plus sec square A as it is. Next, LHS is equal to sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. You know that. Instead of that we will write 1 plus 2 into sin will get cancelled, 2 into 1 यानी कि 2 plus cos square A. You know that very well, identity. Cos square A means what? Okay, before that we have seen some identities. Cos square A is equal to 1 upon cot square A. You know that very well. 1 upon cot square A. ये cos square A की जगह क्या लिखा है? 1 upon cot square A plus 2 into cos will get cancelled, 2 into 1 means what? 2 plus sec square A. Sec square A means what? 1 plus tan square A. Do you understand? जो हमने पिछले एग्जाम्पल में प्रॉपर्टी देखी थी, आइडेंटिटी देखी थी, 1 प्लस tan square A. Therefore LHS is equal to, अब इधर देखो, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus okay cot square A plus tan square A. Therefore LHS is equal to, प्रूव क्या करना है? देखो, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A means instead of only we will write like that, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, like that examples you will get in the exercise also. I hope so you got little idea about it. नोट्स का पेज दिखा देता हूँ तुम्हें तो तुम्हें फिर से समझ में आएगा. ये एग्जाम्पल, पहला एग्जाम्पल मैंने आज शुरू किया है. इधर देखो, ये है प्रूफ का एग्जाम्पल. ये हमें प्रूव करना था, इसके लिए ये आइडेंटिटी हमने यूज़ किया है। तो आइडेंटिटी का हमने यूज़ की, आइडेंटिटी भी इंपॉर्टेंट है। अभी इधर देखो साइन डिवाइड बाय कॉस की जगह tan लिखा, ये डेफिनेशन भी इंपॉर्टेंट है। ओके, 1 अभी मैंने जो तुम्हें एग्जांपल सॉल्व करके दिखाया उसमें मैंने तुमको दिखाया कि 1 साइन मीन्स वाट, 1 कॉस मीन्स वाट। ओके, कोसेक की जगह हम 1 साइन लिख सकते हैं, सेक की जगह हम 1 कॉस लिख सकते हैं। ये सारी बातें अगर तुम्हें एट अ टाइम याद हो और तुम्हें मालूम हो तो ही तभी तुम ये एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व कर सकते हो। ओके, ये पहला एग्जाम्पल मैंने तुम्हें सॉल्व करके दिखाया। ये देखो इधर पूरा एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है कैसे -1 को बाहर निकाला और हमें मिल गया LHS = RHS। इधर देखो ये सेकंड एग्जांपल, इधर देखो ये इसकी बात मैं कर रहा था। कोसेक की जगह आपने 1/sin लिखा हमने और सेक की जगह हमने 1/cos लिखा, तो कभी कौन सा फार्मूला यूज़ करना पड़े इसकी हम गारंटी नहीं दे सकते। इधर हमने आइडेंटिटी यूज़ की, कोसेक स्क्वायर की जगह 1/cot², सेक स्क्वायर की जगह 1/tan²। ऐसे अगर तुम्हें रिमाइंड होता गया तो तुम ये इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो। आई होप सो यू विल ट्राई योर लेवल बेस्ट। रिमेनिंग पॉइंट यू विल कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। थैंक यू।